Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y35 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this VIVO device. First of all, you need to locate Recorder app and when you find it, click on it. Then select while using and allow in the pop-ups. And tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and in order to end it and save it, on the right one. Now you can rename your recording by clicking on this pen icon, typing in wherever you wish to and choosing OK. In order to remove it though, hold it, click on it, and tap on Remove. Finally, confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also hold your recording, tap on those three dots at the bottom right corner, and do wherever you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!